going on, everyone? It's Mike. We are going to take a different approach to the Google Pixel 3 leaks that came out recently. Instead of focusing on the video, we are going to talk through what I think are the 3 most likely hardware-dependent features coming out on the device. Let's get started. First off, let's talk about the elephant in the room. It's that notch. All joking aside, the size of the notch is likely an indicator for a new 2-camera array coming to the phone that will support biometric authentication when unlocking the device. Move to the back of the phone, we can see that Google remains confident in the single camera implementation on the Pixel 3 XL. This year's version of the Pixel 3 ditched the soft touch rubber in favor of a glass back for wireless charging. Given Google's strong desire for the Pixel devices to be the best Android experience available, you can expect to see the Snapdragon 845 on both the Pixel 3 and Pixel 3 XL. Building on a key theme from I/O 2018, you can expect to see expanded AI use cases on the Pixel 3 device outside of last year's Visual Core. This will be a key to on-device AI processing. So let's wrap up those 3 features. First, we have the addition of biometrics, specifically facial identification via the front-facing camera array. Second, we have the addition of fast wireless charging. Finally, a updated coprocessor that is dedicated to machine learning and AI. I want to take a moment and thank everyone who's been watching my videos, commenting, sending feedback. So let's flip it back to you. And so what do you want to see in the next Google Pixel 3? Do you agree with my line of thinking, or do you want to see something different? Let me know in the comments below. Go ahead and drop a like if you like this video, and subscribe if you want to get notified of all new content. Thanks very much.